Hey guys, Ross Christopher here from Lead Carrot, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can start learning how to market software even if you don't have a software yet. Some people don't want to white label, go high level. Some people want to go their own software route, which I think is a very great idea and ambitious idea as well. They can't afford a developer yet. So how could you structure your business so that way you can afford a developer or further development in your business? I'm going to show you how right now. So let's go ahead and share my screen. So the way that I found this was that I was a very impatient person. And while we were building out Lead Carrot, I just wanted to sell software so bad. I was under this mindset. I didn't want to be an affiliate. I didn't want to go sign up for someone's white label service where I was going to be stuck paying them a fee forever. So I kept looking for other options. One of them was I went to Code Canyon. When I found this site, my mind went, Phew. Code Canyon is filled with scripts and softwares that people resell just the code base. And then you can install it on your server. You now own that code base. You can put your own logos on it, etc. And you sell it as your own software. It becomes yours. Now you think, well, why would someone build a software and then just upload the code? Well, because they suck at marketing, and it was much easier for them to do this than it is for them to actually go create and build a real brand. Some people just want to develop. They don't want to build a real brand. So I'm going to give you an example. When you go on this website, codecanyon.com or .net, click on code, and then just go here and type in SaaS. And what that means is that it has the ability for you to resell it to other users with your brand on it and put your Stripe account, your PayPal account hooked into it. Now, I'm going to give you an example of this, and let's just go through and say, let's say that you wanted to build your own accounting software. Let's say that you wanted to build an accounting solution, SaaS accounting. Okay, so here we go. We got one called accountgo.sas. Now, there's two different versions of this, and I want to explain the difference so you don't get yourself screwed up here and waste money. When you go in here, you can see what the software looks like. Okay, it's a nice looking accounting software that you hook up your stuff. You can do invoicing and all that stuff. But the problem is that if you just buy this one for 30 bucks, what's going to end up happening is that you can use it. And yes, you can put your own branding on it, but you can't resell it as a software. It will not have SaaS capabilities in it. So what you need to do is change from here to the extended license. And now you can resell this with SaaS capabilities. So for $199, you get that code base, and it's going to include 6 months of support, which means every time they push out updates, you're going to continue to get those updates. Now you can go in here and you can actually test out and see what the software is going to look and feel like when you get in it. So let's just go ahead and try this out. And you can change the front end of it, but I'm going to show you an example here of how this is going to look. So I think that they said it would. Well, let's just see if they go ahead and put that in there, the administrative logins. Yeah, there it is. So here it is. You can see all of the different features that are in the software. So let's say I like this and I want this to be my software that I own and I can resell. Well, I am going to purchase that code for $199. And then what I can do is I could actually go and hire someone such as my team. I have a development team that could do this for you, and it's not expensive. You'd be looking at under $1,000. We would set it all up for you, put your logos on it, and now you own a software that you can go start marketing and reselling. And I did this with Jungle Pop, you might have remembered. I've done it with Sprinkles. And I really, really think that there's some really cool softwares that you can build with these. Now, if you want, you can add stuff in the future if you're getting access to the source code, because let's say that you want to add your own look and feel to it, or you want to make alterations and things as time goes. You want to build your own zaps. You can do that, but at least you have something to go ahead and start selling and making money on right away. So if I were you guys and I'm looking for something to get started, maybe you can't afford $300 a month right now, $500 a month for Go High Level or something like that. This is a great alternative because you own it. You have full control over it. which means that you can actually resell it. In fact, if you go to flippa.com, which is a site where people sell softwares, a lot of these softwares are actually Code Canyon softwares that people get a few users to get on, and then they sell them, and they can sell them for a pretty good multiple. I've actually bought websites off of bought softwares off of Code Canyon. But the point is that you could do this, get a couple hundred users on it, and then list it on Flippa and make a lot of money just flipping code bases. So this is just an option for you. Hopefully this kind of opens your eyes to different things that you could do. I highly recommend going in, and actually it's a really fun thing to do while you're using the bathroom on your phone, is just to go in and look at all the different things that you could actually launch, all the different softwares that you could actually use. Man, your mind starts going wild, because it's like going to Goodwill. You never know what you're going to find at a good price or at a good discount. If you guys are old eBay people like I used to be, you will get that reference. Anyways, hopefully you found this enjoyable. If you did, let me know down in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe to this video. Another thing is that if you do get this template, SaaS Mode, my program, will help you blow it up, will help you be able to get users. The same strategy that I use for white label stuff, for my software, etc., is the same strategies I use for this. So then you could own your own software, and you would be able to learn how to get users on it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this and have a great day.